Alright, let's get to the Filet-O-Fish that I was craving. And you know, it's always funny how even though it's a square and a circle, it's always off center no matter what you do. I'm pretty sure it was assembled this way, but I'm gonna kind of readjust it a little bit if I'm able to. I don't want to completely destroy this sandwich. Ooh. The cheese is like melted completely into the bread, so it didn't even lift when I did that. But here's the Filet-O-Fish. All that tartar sauce. Mmm. I know probably for a lot of you, you know, the Big Mac is a go-to, but for me, it's usually Filet-O-Fish or the chicken nuggets. These fries are good in the leftover McRib sauce. Kind of tastes like their barbecue sauce, but it's different for sure. It's like a little bit more sweet. I haven't done a McDonald's mukbang since the very first one that I did, which was on the sausage McMuffin, like the breakfast. So it's been like at least a good 3 months. 3 months since that video. I think I had like chicken nuggets one time in between. So today I took care of all of the grocery shopping related to Thanksgiving on Thursday, which is a huge relief. I don't anticipate having to go back to the store unless there's a complete, like, I've forgotten something, but I had a pretty extensive list. Only had to go to 2 different stores to get everything. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Kind of just have to plan for like timing, make sure all the food is like hot by the time people get here. I don't know if I've ever shown you my oven area, but one of the perks is that it's a dual oven, so there's like a top rack and a bottom rack, so I'm able to keep, you know, things of varying temperatures warm or cooking things if I need to. But I think since I'm not taking care of the protein this year, I should be good to go. So after I filmed my Earl of Sandwich video, I had like a crazy allergic reaction. I had like a bump on my head, and then slowly like I started feeling other parts of my head, and it was like 2 bumps, 3 bumps, 4 bumps, 5 bumps, and then I was just like, what's going on? So I ended up going, took a nap, woke up, it seemed like it was a little bit better. It wasn't until I took a little bit of Advil that I had like started to subside. I could have taken Benadryl, but then I just didn't want to get knocked out for the entire day. Well, hopefully wearing this turkey hat isn't going to trigger any reaction. Oh, I always get hiccups after I drink something very carbonated like that. But thank you guys so much for joining me for another mukbang.